Hello everyone, this is our fifth video on the topic revision series, the topic called forming and solving equations. So today we are going to focus on the exam style question on the topic of forming and solving equations. You can download this tutorial from our website at www.smarttutor.co.uk/worksheet.php. Under the year 11 section you can see topic revision number 20. Then you can download all the tutorials over there. Question number 1. ABCD is a rectangle, EFGH is a trapezium. The perimeters of these two shapes are the same. All the measurements are in centimeter. Work out the value of x. So first of all, we find the perimeter of ABCD. So perimeter of ABCD is going to be 2 times of the length, because 3x plus 4 is going to be opposite sides are equal. So 3x plus 4, 3x plus 4. I put 2 times 3x plus 4 plus 2 times of 4x. So if I work this out, expanding brackets, 6x plus 8 plus 8x. Collecting the like terms, so 6x plus 8x is 14x plus 8. So that is the perimeter of the rectangle. So perimeter of the trapezium at all the x's and numbers. So 5x plus x minus 3 plus 5x plus 7x minus 3. If I add all the 5x, x, 6x, 11x, 18x minus 6. So that's the perimeter of the trapezium. Equate that. So 14x plus 8 equal 18x minus 6. So take the minus 14x both sides. So you will get 4x minus 6. Add 6 both sides. So you get 4x equal 14, x equal 14 over 4. So that is nearly equal to 7 over 2. So x equal, you can write 7 over 2 or 3.5. Second part, find the area of the rectangle. So area means you need to find the length. So the length is 3x plus 4, which I'm going to find out separately. So 3 times 3.5 plus 4. So 10.5 plus 4 is 14.5. And the width, we need to find out. The width is 4x. So 4x means 4 times 3.5, which is going to be 14. So the area is going to be length times width. So 14.5 times 14. So that is going to be 203 centimeter square. Question number 2. A town has 3 car parks. South car park has X spaces. North car park has 48 more spaces than South car park. Central car park has 4 times as many spaces as South car park. The total number of spaces in South car park and Central car park is more than twice the number of spaces in North car park. So they have given the relation how the 3 car parks are related, and there are 3 car parks. So let's start to form the equation and solve the equation at the second step. So first of all, there's a South car park and North car park and Central car park. South car park has X spaces. North car park has 48 more spaces than South car park. So X plus 48. Central car park has 4 times as many spaces as South car park. 4 times x is 4x. Now The relation is given the total number of spaces in south and central. So these two addition, so 4x plus 5x equal to is more than twice the number of the spaces in the north part. So 2 times of x plus 48. So that is the equation. If you can solve that equation, so 5x equal to 2x plus 96. 2x coming this side, so minus 2x, so 3x equal 96. So x equal 32. 96 and 3x, divide by both side by 3, x equal 32. So work out the least possible number of spaces in the south car park is 32. Question number 3. Ali was asked to solve the equation. Here is his working. As his answer is wrong, what mistake did he make? So they didn't ask for to redo the question again to find out the correct answer. They only asked for what is the mistake. So if you go by step, 6x minus 2, 3 times x plus 4. The question, the first step is correct. Second step is copying the 6x minus 2. 3 times x is 3x. 3 times 4 is 12. So that is the step he made the mistake. So you need to only write 3x plus 4 when expanding the bracket is 3x plus 12. That's all you want to do. So not 3x plus 7. So you'll get the 1 mark for that. Question number 4. A machine part is made by cutting a small square from the center of the large square piece of steel. The dimension of the machine part as shown on the diagram. All measurements are in centimeter. The perimeter of the small square is 2/3 of the perimeter of the large square. So this is the relationship. So you need to be very careful and underline that one. Work out the length of the side of the small square. So first of all, perimeter of the small square. So perimeter of the small square, x plus 4, it's a square. So you can times by 4 or you add x plus 4 4 times, both are same. So if you expand the bracket, 4x plus 16 is the small perimeter of the small square. And perimeter of the large square is 4 times 3x plus 4. So if you expand the brackets, it's 12x plus 16. Now read the relationship carefully. The small square is, the perimeter of the small square is 4x plus 16 is means equal 2/3 of means times in maths of the perimeter of the large square. So 12x plus 16. So that's all you need to do. I'm going to times both side by 3. Both side by times 3 to get rid of the 3 goes 3 1. And now I'm going to continue expanding the bracket. 3 times 4 is 12x plus 48 equal, the 3 and 3 cancel, 2 times 12 is 24x plus 32. So I'm going to take the minus 12x this side, the other side also minus 12x. So 48 equal 12x plus 32. Now I'm going to take the 32 both side and 16 equal 12x. So 12x equals 16, x equal 16 over 12. If I can simplify, 4 times 4 and 4 times 3. So x equal 4 upon 3. But they are asking find out the length of the side of the small square. So small square is x plus 4. So 4 upon 3 plus 4. So 4 upon 1. So that is going to be 3, 4, plus 12. So 16 over 3. So 5 1/3. That is the answer. Question number 5. Jake is making batches of different shapes. Batch A is in the shape of trapezium, batch B is in the shape of rectangle. All the measurements are given in centimeters. The perimeter of the batch A and the perimeter of the batch B are equal. That is the relationship. So find out the area of the batch A. So that is the problem. So the relationship is given, both perimeters are equal. So perimeter of the rectangle equal 2 times of 4x minus 5 plus 2 times of 2x minus 3. So if you can expand the brackets, 8x minus 10 plus 4x minus 6. So 12x minus 16 is the perimeter of the rectangle, and the perimeter of the trapezium, so perimeter of the trapezium equal, so you add everything, so 3x plus 1 plus x plus 3x plus 1 plus 3x minus 2. So if you add all the collecting like terms, so 4, 7, 10x, and plus 1 and plus 1 plus 2 take away from minus 2 is cancelled. So 10x is the answer. So both perimeters are equal. So let's write the 12x minus 16 equal 10x. 10x coming other side, so 2x equal 16, x equal 8. So area of the batch A, so area of the trapezium, so area of the trapezium, so you remember the equation, half A plus B times height. A can be this one, parallel sides, so B can be this one, and this height is given 24. So half A is x, is 8, plus B is 8 times 3 is 24, 22 times 24. So 22 plus 8 is 30, 30 divided by half is 15 times 24. So the answer is 360 centimeter square. They're asking the area of the batch A is t centimeter squared, so the t is 360 centimeter square. Question number 6. Each length of the side of the square B is twice the length of the side of the square A. So that is the relationship is given. So square A is there and square B is there. So the relationship is given, the length of the side A, let's say x, this is x because it's square, all four sides are equal. The square B is twice the length, so times 2, each side is going to be times 2, so 2x, 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 2x. So this squares, all four sides are equal. Now John says this means the area of the square B is twice the area of the square A. Is John right? No, he is incorrect. Right? So if area of A equal x squared, so x times x is x squared, area of B is 2x times 2x is 4x squared. So area of B equal 4x squared. So therefore area of B is 4 times of A. So that is the justification. Question number 7. The diagram shows a triangle. All the angles are measured in degrees. Show that the triangle is an isosceles triangle. So all we can do is we have to build up the relationship. So here the relationship is not given, but they only given is a triangle. Triangle, all the angles add up to 180. So we can start from that, forming the equation 4x plus 8, 5x plus 2, 6x minus 10 equal 180. So 4x, 5x, 9x, 15x, 8 plus 2 is 10, and that is cancelled out. So 15x equal 180, x equal 12. So if x equal 12, we can find out the angle of this one. So 12 times 4 is 48, 56, and this one is 12 times 6 is 72, 62. So this one 12 times 5 is 60, 60 plus 2 is 62 degrees. So 6x minus 10 equals 62 degrees, and 5x plus 2 is also 62 degrees, right? So two angles in a triangle are same. Therefore the triangle is an isosceles. That is our proof. Question number 8. Here is a rectangular sheet of metal. A square hole is cut out of the metal. So the length is given, everything's marked, and the relationship is given here. So which is the perimeter of the square hole is 3/5 of the perimeter of the rectangle. So perimeter of the square, all four sides are equal, same as what we did before. So 4x plus 24 is the perimeter of the square, and perimeter of the rectangle is perimeter of the rectangle equal 2 times of 3x plus 5 plus 2 times of 2x plus 5. So we're going to expand the brackets. 6x plus 10 plus 4x plus 10. So 10x plus 20. So that is the perimeter of the rectangle. So connect the rectangle's perimeter with the relationship is given. First they said the perimeter of the square. So the perimeter of the square, so 4x plus 24 is, you can see here, is means equal 3/5 of 10x plus 20, which is the perimeter of the rectangle. So I'm going to times both sides by 5 to get rid of the 5. So you can still expand the brackets, but I'll do the same as what we did before. So if you continue, that one is 20x 120, and this 5 and this 5 cancel, 30x plus 60. So if I'm taking away 20x, I end up with 10x here and 60 both sides, 60 here. So x equal 6. So they are asking, work out the length of the side of the square hole. So side of the square hole, so side of the square equal x plus 6. So 6 plus 6 is 12 centimeter. Question number 9. Here is a trapezium. All the measurements are given in centimeter. The area of the trapezium is given 18 centimeter squared. That is the relationship is given. The area is connected with the measurements given. Calculate the numerical value of the perimeter. So first of all, the area equation for a trapezium is half a plus b times the height. So the height is 4, a is 2x minus 3, b is 2x plus 3. So let's do the equation. So half times a is 2x minus 3, 2x plus 3 times 4. Minus 3 plus 3 cancel. So 2x plus 2x is 4x. 4x, half of 4x is 2x. 2x times 4 is 8x. So that is the area expression, and given the 18 is the area, so we are going to equate 8x equal 18 centimeter square, x equal 18 divided by 8, which is 9 over 4 is 2.25 centimeter squared, or if you can leave it as it is, 2 1/4, that is fine. So now they are asking the perimeter of the trapezium. So perimeter of the trapezium is 2x minus 3 plus 2x plus 3 plus 5 is 10. Minus 3 plus 3 cancel. 4x plus 10. So 4x equal 4 times 9 upon 4 plus 10. 4 and 4 cancel. 9 plus 10 is 19 centimeter. So that is the perimeter of the trapezium. Question number 10. The diagram gives information about two paintings A and B. Each painting is in the shape of rectangle. Painting A has an area 1725, bigger than the area of the painting B. So this is the relationship. So area is in the question. So area of A equal 50 times 2x minus 10. So that is 100x minus 500. Area of B is 35 times x plus 20 is 35x plus 700. So now the relationship, painting A has an area 1725 centimeters squared, bigger than the area B, area of the B. So 35 x plus 700 is one side, 100 x minus 500 is the other side. So which one is bigger than? So area A has an area, so you need to add the 1725 to the B. So area of A has an area 1725 bigger than the area of the B. So you need to add the 1725 to the B. So now what we want to do is simplify the equation. 100x minus 500, 35x plus 700 plus 1725. So 35x coming other side is going to be 65x, and 500 going other side 1200. So 2925, and x equal 2925 divided by 65. So let's open the calculator. So make it 0, 2925 divide by 65. So 45. So x equal 45. So now they are asking, work out the area of the painting A. So area of A, we already calculated, is 100x minus 500. So 100 times 45, so 4500 minus 500, which is 4000 centimeter square. Question number 11. The diagram shows two identical squares placed side by side to form a rectangle. All measurements are in centimeter. Calculate the numerical value of the length of the rectangle. So these both are squares. So it's an identical square. So this all four sides are going to be equal. So if this is 3x plus 5, this has to be 3x plus 5. And this has to be 3x plus 5. This length. So 2 times 3x plus 5 equal to the 10x minus 2. That is the relationship. So the relationship is given in the sentence reasoning side, but if you see the diagram, it's clear, two identical square. So 2 times 3x plus 5 equal 10x minus 2. So 6x plus 10 equal 10x minus 2. So going to take the 6x other side, minus 6x, it becomes 4x, minus 2 this side, plus 2 plus 10 is 12. So x going to be 3. Find the numerical value of the length of the rectangle. So the length equal to 10x minus 2. So 10 times 3 is 30, take away 2 is going to be 28 centimeter. That is our final answer. Question number 12. PQRS is a square. All the measurements are in centimeter. Show that the perimeter of the square is 10 centimeter. So if it is a square, all four sides are equal. So if I equate 3x minus 2 equal x plus 1. So take the x this side, so minus x. So 3x minus x is 2x equal minus 2 go other side, plus 2 plus 2 plus 1 is plus 3. So x equal 3 over 2. So which is 1.5 centimeter. Now they are asking, show that the perimeter is 10 centimeter. So 1.5 is, so if I take this length, this x plus 1 is one side. So side length equal x plus 1. So 1.5 plus 1 equal 2.5. So 2.5 times 4 is the perimeter. So perimeter equal 10 centimeter. So that is the final answer. Question number 13. Solve 11 minus 4y equals 6y minus 3. So you need to solve this equation. So you don't need to form, it's already equation is given. You need to find out what is the value of y. So rearrange the formulas in such a way. So I'm taking the minus 4y the other side, so that becomes plus 4y, and I'm going to take the minus 3 this side, that becomes plus 3. So 11 plus 3 equal 6y plus 4y. 6 plus 4 is 10y equal 14, and y equal 14 divided by 10, which is 1.4. So that is the answer for question number 13. Question number 14, again solve and find out the value of y. I'm going to do the cross multiplication. So 4 is going to be multiplied the 2y plus 1. 3 is going to multiply the y minus 2. So expand the brackets. 8y plus 4 equal 3y minus 6. 3y go other side, minus 3y. So 5y equal 4 going other side, minus 4. So minus 6 minus 4 is minus 10. So 5y equal minus 10 means y equal minus 10 divided by 5, which is minus 2. That is the answer for the question number 14. Question number 15, let me do it here. So 5 minus x over 2 equal 2x minus 7. So the way to do is do a cross multiplication. So 5 minus x equal 2 times 2x minus 7. So expand the bracket, 4x minus 14, 5 minus x. So the minus x go other side, plus x, so that becomes 5x minus 14. This side is plus 14 plus 5 is 19. So x equal 19 over 5. So 3/4. So that is the answer for question number 15. That is the end of the tutorial. I hope you like the video, and if you do like the video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to see all the upcoming videos. And also, if you like to download the tutorial, you can download it from our website at www.smart-tutors.co.uk/worksheet.php. Thank you.